Welcome to the review of Cough cough drops from Cipla. So earlier you might have used Vicks, Halls, Strepsils and multiple other cough lozenges. But this one cough from Cipla. Cough drops are available. Natural cough syrup, cough cough syrup, cough lozenges. These are all the different products from Cipla. So this is a cough syrup from Cipla. So if you see this chemical composition, it is same as Benadryl. So if you see Benadryl cough formula, so this is not the Benadryl DR or Benadryl dicrof. It is for Benadryl wet cough, cold and sore throat. The composition is diphenylhydramine hydrochloride and ammonium chloride, sodium citrate and ethanol. So this is Benadryl and the composition is same in cough syrup from Cipla. Diphenyl hydramine hydrochloride, ammonium chloride, sodium citrate. So apart from cough syrup, there is natural cough syrup, wherein these chemicals are all not there. Because of these chemicals, there is giddiness, ulcers formation because of these acids, and many other side effects. But there is natural cough syrup, that is contains purely herbal product, Ayurvedic type product from Cipla, doesn't have all these side effects. So throw all this. Likewise, if you see cough lozenges, even they have that antiseptic, antibiotic acid type formula, but this cough drops from contains pure menthol and 41 different herbs, and it does work effectively. It's cost around only a 1 rupee. So from next time when you are not feeling well, or you are having cough or sore throat or some throat infection, stop using Vicks or Halls or Strepsils. Just try cough drops. You do get immediate relief, and this is for sure. Now we will see the unboxing, how the actual cough drops tablet, which is chewable type, will be. So when you open it, you are going to have like this, some 3D coin shaped. This is the color, and the taste is very good. And if you are getting severe and continuous cough, say you have used multiple medicines but your cough has not been decreased even for 1 or 2 weeks, you just use this, and within 5 minutes you are going to get the relief. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel to know more about the best medicines that has to be used. Thank you.